So over here you can see that I am in the home page of Thunderbird, and if I want to go ahead and then enable the Today pane to know what I have, what tasks I have today, then I can simply go around over here onto the view and go to Today pane and show the Today pane right here. So now over here I can see all of the events that I have for today right here that I have added in the calendar, and it pulls it out from the calendar, as you can see right here. And then you can see that I can also go ahead and view individual days right here. If I were to go around onto the Today pane, you can also show a mini month right here, and you see the mini month right here. So whenever you're in the mail section as well, you can see that you can go ahead and view the Today pane. So I got a reminder, so let's just go around and then disable it. So now if I were to go around over here, and then let me just dismiss this particular event right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and then let's say, for example, go around over here onto Today pane and show the Today pane, and even in the calendar section you can see that I get the Today pane right here, but I get it for tasks right here, as you can see. But if I were to go around onto the mail section, then you can see that it is actually the mini calendar right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here onto the Today pane, you can also show none of the events right here, or show a mini day right here, just like this, or show a mini month just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with the Today pane inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.